Good morning, students. Welcome back to English tutorials. I am Geeta Malhotra with you for the explanation of poem. Our first poem, The Power of Music, which is written by a very popular Bengali writer, Sukumar Ray. Dear children, he is actually famous for his image, and the image is of Abel Table. Now, what is the meaning of Abel Table? Abel Table means weird and random. But before starting the poetry, children, since now you are in grade 8 and we are going to start our poetry, so I would suggest you to keep remembering the name of the poem and name of the poet. If you make this habit from today itself, it will be easy for you to continue with your subject matter. It will be easy for you to attempt the questions related to poetry. Next thing, in previous videos, we had completed our chapter 1. Notes were also provided to you, vocabulary also, and I really believe, rather I am sure my children, that you all are making wonderful notes as well. Not only the making of notes, but a revision is also required, and make sure that you will make the best use of this online teaching services. So, let's talk about your poem. Children, this poem is about a man, actually a great man, whose name is Bhishma Lochan Sharma. He is in a habit of singing. Melodious? No. He is actually an exception. He doesn't sing melodiously, but he is unconcerned about rest of the things. He does not have any care whether people are being scared, they are being disturbed. Fish, horse, bullock cart, not only but trees also are not so much happy and they are collapsing, they are being destroyed. But our protagonist, who is Bhishma Lochan Sharma, he is unconcerned of rest of the world and want to sing continuously without any interruption. Children, in this collection of nonsense verses, in his collection, who is his here? Obviously, the poet Sukumar Ray. Children, this poem was written by Mr. Sukumar Ray, but in Bengali language. Later on, it was translated in English by Professor Sukanta Chaudhary. In his collection of nonsense verses, Abel Tabel Bengali poet Sukumar Ray holds up a universe of fantasy before his readers. Who are the readers? Obviously, we. So he establishes a universe of fantasy, a universe of imagination between us. I have already told you, Abel Tabel means weird and random. Read this hilarious poem. Hilarious means comical. Read this hilarious poem from the collection about a man's relentless singing and the havoc it wreaks. His singing, how it destroys, how it causes destructions to others, this we are going to read in this poem. When summer comes, we hear the hums of Bhishma Lochan Sharma. Hums means sound. He generally sings in summer season. So when summer season arrives, we hear the sound of his music, his singing. You catch his strain on hill. His voice will not be caught only on hills, but plain from Delhi down to Burma, not only on hills but from Delhi down to Burma. He sings as though he has staked his life. He sings as if he has made a bet with someone, and he sings as though he is hell bent. He is not going to get chance after his death, so he sings in such a way. The people dazed retire amazed, although they know it's well meant. People are shocked, They are confused, but still they know this very well that he doesn't have any bad intention. He has good intentions. They are trampled in the panic, rout and languish, pale and stickly. They are being in poor health because they are stepped on and crushed. They are bound, they are forced to listen to his singing as they don't like. Although they don't like, but still he is a unstoppable singer. He is an unstoppable singer, and people are also forced to listen to him whether they want or not. And plead, my friend, we are near our end. Oh, stop your singing quickly. What they plead, what they request, that we are going to die. So please, Mr. Bhishma Lochan Sharma, stop your singing. So children, this was an introduction of the poem and the text which I have explained to you. So children, it was a good beginning, and I really hope that you will go through with the poem and the vocabulary part which is given at the bottom of the pages. And further poem, the next part of the poem we will cover in our next video. Till then, be safe, be at home, and a single advice beta, these days, not only these days, particularly I am mentioning these days, better listen to your parents. Their advice, whatsoever they instruct you, follow that only. Goodbye.